Listo.
Hello, Ruth. What a joy to see you. How are you?
Hello, Angel. I'm good. You?
Good and happy because I am taking English classes.
Oh, really? How is it going?
I am going excellent. I am learning a lot.
And where are you studying?
I am studying at UTN University with the teacher India Toledo. She is the best teacher. How about you?
I am taking swimming classes in the Olympic pool.
Where is that place?
It's in the Trujillo city.
How's it going in your classes?
I'm going well.
I am very happy to hear it, but when are you going to Lima?
I'm going to Lima next month.
Nice. Just when I finish my exam and hope and good my grade.
Of course, if you are going to go that well, I wish you luck.
Thanks, I needed that motivation. I'm more quiet.
For nothing, friend. But apart, are you studying other courses?
Yes, I am in dance school.
And what songs do you dance?
Urban and classical music songs. It's very, very entertaining.
I love the urban music and I love the idea of you dance that type of music.
Yes, it's amazing. Will do that sing out for the classes?
Yes, I could love it, but it's impossible because of the distance and my classes.
Okay, friend, for another opportunity it will be.
Yes, Frank, I like to speak with you. Let's talk later.
Okay, friend, it's a pleasure talking to you. Good luck.